Hello, we are Team Jaegerists, and our contribution to Touché shared task for controversial questions is called Exploring BERT Synonyms and Quality Prediction for Argument Retrieval. This picture summarizes our pipeline. At first, we pre-processed the corpus and built an index. After that, we expanded the user query using a BERT substitution approach. Retrieval was done using a Dirichlet language model, and after that, we re-ranked the list of results by taking into account quality predictions by using models from the BERT family. We will now analyze each of these steps in the following slides. In the pre-processing step, we deleted duplicate arguments or those having an empty body. In order to build the index, we used Lucene standard tokenizer and the lowercase filter, as we found that other filters provided diminishing returns. Stop words were not removed. For query expansion, we used a BERT synonym substitution approach. By using part-of-speech tagging, we identify nouns, adjective, and past participles in the query and replace these tokens with BERT's special mask token. For each of them, we then generated at least 10 substitute candidates using BERT, and we kept those having a cosine similarity of at least 85% with respect to the embedding the original token. New queries were generated by taking a subset of the Cartesian product of all possible substitutions for each of the tokens. In the retrieval phase, we parsed the query using Lucene multi-field query parser. As a retrieval model, we used the Dirichlet language model by allowing it to return at most 100 documents. When query expansion was activated, the results for each expanded query were merged all together and then duplicates were removed. The top 5 arguments were then passed to the argument quality module. To predict the overall quality of an argument, we used BERT features. In particular, we passed the CLS token representation to a feed-forward neural network with the objective of minimizing the mean square error loss function. We training tested BERT and other variants such as DistilBERT, Roberta, and Albert on the Webis argument quality corpus by using an 80-10-10 train validation test split. The ranking of arguments was done by combining in a convex combination function relevance and quality scores in different ways, for example, using normalization or the sigmoid function. In terms of results, we were almost on par with the baseline on Touché 2021 topics for relevance scores, but we managed to outperform it in terms of argument quality. We found out that query expansion was significantly downgrading the performance of our models, and this was mainly due to some wrong but peculiar substitutions. For example, the one between abortion and divorce, which derives from BERT's pre-training bias. BERT and DistilBERT were the most promising quality predictors, but their improvement over the baseline was not statistically significant according to our tests. Thank you for watching, and please check out our paper for further details.